Samsung Z Fold 7 is really a game changer. Even the new appearance of the Z Fold 7 has been confirmed. Although we knew that Samsung will replace the Z Fold 7's inner and outer displays some time ago, there was no picture of the Z Fold 7's cover. However, we discovered the Galaxy Z Fold 7's inner and cover displays on Twitter, which is a big difference. This, therefore, is how the Z Fold 7 and Z Fold 6 vary from one another. In comparison to the Z Fold 6, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a considerably broader cover display and is larger overall. Another advantage of the Z Fold 7 is that, whether you see it or not, the bezel size is likewise reduced. The Z Fold 7 seems more like a regular phone than a folding phone due to the reduced hinge design. And the true difference is seen when we go to the inner display. In contrast to the 7.6-inch display on Fold 6, it now has an 8-inch screen. Additionally, Samsung just produced a little tablet. Among the largest folding phones available is this one. Naturally, a little less than the Apple Fin 5. The inner display, however, saw various alterations from Samsung. Their tiny bezels. Later in this movie, I'll reveal the precise figure, but Samsung fulfills our collective desire. The hinge is likely to be a significant modification in this year's foldable phones. My insider confirmed that no one is discussing this. The hinge of a Z Fold 7 will amaze you all. The hinge on the Fold 7 will be more robust than the Z Fold 6, while it has not yet been confirmed if Samsung would choose IP68 water and dust resistance. With the thickness of a Z Fold 7, Samsung is also breaking records. Samsung has kept with the same design for the last several generations, giving us the identical inner and cover displays. However, suddenly things are different. Later on, I will disclose the display's proportions. With the inner display bezels, Samsung made a huge step. A Twitter universe claims that the inner screen bezel of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is narrow. The image shows Z Fold 6, and the arrow points to a 1.9mm wide bezel. The outside screen bezel of the Z Flip 7 is likewise very narrow, measuring only 1.2mm, while the Fold 7 is immediately dried to 1mm. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.